The US dollar currently just in consolidation mode, really. We bounced that very key area of liquidity here at 99.50. Obviously, markets are keeping a close eye on the developments with US and Iran. Guys, this is very, very important because obviously, if the talks go well, that's deflationary, right? Because then oil prices will come down and then that'll filter through into inflation. But if the talks go south again and strikes are happening, which again is possible, obviously, dollar rises and this could still be validated. This could still just be a massive flush out, sweep of liquidity. Can all these stops triggered to the downside from 150, and then we could still get this being a higher low and pushing to the upside. But it's very much going to be dependent on the developments of US and Iran. And of course, near term, we're going to be keeping an eye on non-farm payrolls. If non-farm payrolls on Friday comes in bullish, that's going to be inflationary, right? Because if we've got jobs being added, people in employment still, spending money stimulate obviously prices of goods and services. So it's very, very important near term. But obviously, if we look at a 4 hour at the moment in terms of structure, it's still bearish right now. For dollar, we've still got lower highs, lower lows. Obviously, the most recent lower low, we could be producing a lower high. So keep an eye on that. But to be honest, it could be choppy price action all the way until non-farm payrolls, to be honest. I would still lean at the moment, just because of that 4 hour structure being the engine, I'd still lean at the moment that dollar looks a little bit vulnerable near term. But committed moves and this zone, we're at a gateway, really, well, say a crossroads, because obviously if a bullish non-farm payrolls comes out, this is going to be the high low and we're going to push the upside. For bearish, we're going to be seeing that continuation to the downside. Guys, for all information on this and sort of staying up to date, my trade ideas, what I'm looking at when I'm looking to execute, so on and so forth, key divergences in the market, you've got various resources below to access me. And as I say, Friday, I mean it, Friday, the waiting list is done for my mentorship, right? If you really want to level up your whole trading game, be able to trade technicals and fundamentals together, have me in your corner. Check out the links below. Catch you next one.